Natural gas price trading around $2.95. If you look at this trend, what we have seen yesterday, the price has made a half around $3.09. If you look at this trend, after that the price has come down suddenly. Okay, now if the price closed below this particular level, then there is a now if the price started going below a level of 2.9 and touches this level, a bounce back can be seen. But if it didn't bounce back, we will see it will go further fall, because if you see that yesterday the trend was showing that the price can go further upside, but as of now today what we have seen, it has touched that particular yesterday's high and then came down touching a level of around $2.95. Okay, and probability is very high, the strong support coming at 2.91, and if that bounced back, probability can be there that it can bounce back, but if that didn't bounce back, it will come again in this zone. Okay, so in this video we'll be explaining you day-wise chart, 2 hours chart, as well as 15 minutes chart. Okay, we'll be explaining you how the geopolitical can affect the natural gas price in the next 2 days. See, as of now the price is trading around 2.95. okay, and the price has already touched a level of 2.9, and if you look at the overall trend is showing downside. If you see this particular angle, what we have seen that the trend it is trying to follow, this is the trend we can see. Okay, and once the price started going below this level, there is a probability that the price started going towards a level of 2.8, and from there it will cross a level of 2.67. As of now we can see that there is a probability of downside only when the price started going below 2.91. this is what we can see. So before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Let's see how the dollar index is playing role in the price of natural gas. If you see that the dollar index trying to rise, okay, today we have seen the price has moved from 97.9 to a level of 98.3. okay, and chances are high as soon as the dollar index started rising, we have seen natural gas price has come down today. And if you look at this trend, there is a probability that this will trend go upside, and chance of touching 98.5 will be there. It will go towards a level of 99.3, and this gap will be filled. Okay, we have seen the gap will be filled towards 99.5, and chances are very high it will go, and so which shows that the natural gas price can come down. But if it started coming down and goes below a level of around $97.9, probability of going towards 97.5 will be there, and then it will move towards 96.7, and then a further fall can be seen. Coming back again on the natural gas price, you have to understand that there is a probability of touching 2.91 will be there. Okay, if it bounce back, then we can see it will follow again the same path, that it will go touch a level of $3, and from there it will move towards 3.1, which is again a weak level, so probability will be high it will move towards a level of 3.14, and if sustained we can see a level of 3.23, then a probability of touching 3.5. but if it started coming down, it can touch a level of 2.91, and from there we can see it will fall below 2.67, which is again a weak level, so we will see that the price will fall further low, and then it will move towards a level of 2.63, and a probability of touching 2.38 can be seen. Trail your SL by around $0.05, so at least you will capture upside as well as downside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. Looking at the more lower time frame, you can understand how the price is moving on the 2 hour chart. If you see on the 2 hour chart that the price was making an upside and then came downfall, so if it touches a level of $2.9, probability can be high that the price will start bouncing from that level. If that didn't bounce back, it will touch 2.77, then a probability of going further fall can be seen. So trail your SL if it started going below $2.90, okay, by $0.05, okay, but if it keep rising above this level, probability of going towards $3 can be seen. If it sustain above that level, probability of going towards 3.09 will be there, and if that sustain, a further high can be seen towards 3.14. okay, and once started falling below this level, probability of going towards 2.85, and if that didn't sustain, we can see a level of $2.68, and once the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. Okay, coming back on a 15 minutes chart, what you can see, if you look at the 15 minutes chart, we have seen there is a good volatility, because as soon as it started moving out of this range, we have seen that the price of natural gas is moving. Okay, if you are trading on a very mute level, you can see that the price is giving a good movement on the 15 minutes chart. So if it keep rising above this level and goes above a level of 2.99, chance of crossing 3.098 will be there, and then a further upside can be seen. So if holding above a level of $3, a further high can be seen, but if it keep moving down, there's a gap to be filled, so it will fill this particular gap, and a probability of going towards 2.81 will be there, and then a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.